What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. And today's project is this Craftsman leaf blower. The problem is it won't start, and I'm afraid to say it's because it's lost spark. And after using a spark checker, it clearly shows that there is no spark. Let's try bypassing the on-off switch by disconnecting one of the wires going to it. And unfortunately, we still have no spark. I hate to say this, but this means we literally have to disassemble the whole blower just to get to the ignition coil. We are going to do something interesting though. We're going to try to see if we can get the old one to work before replacing it. You have to remove all these little screws just to separate the blower housing. I really should have used a power drill for this part. And once you removed all the screws, I'm going to go ahead and pull the blower tube out next. And now carefully separate the housing and then remove the blower fan by removing the nut holding it to the engine. Now flip the blower around and remove the 3 screws holding the rear cover to the housing. And then carefully remove the rear cover and then flip the blower around yet again. And finally, remove the 4 screws holding the engine to the blower housing. And now carefully pull the engine away from the housing, taking care of any lingering connections. The rear housing also holds the recoil assembly if you needed to fix the pull rope as well. And before swapping coils, let's go ahead and see if we can get the old coil to work. I sometimes find that it's more of a grounding issue of the coil to the engine than a complete coil failure. If you take the coil and look at all that dirt and oil on the grounding surface, this could be the reason why it doesn't work. Go ahead and clean and rough up both surfaces of the engine and the coil to get a better ground. Now reinstall the coil and reconnect the spark plug. Now put the nut back onto the shaft and then use a drill to turn the engine over, since the recoil assembly is not going to be put back on just yet. And unfortunately it didn't help, so we'll still have to replace it in our next video. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.